As we've traveled the country, we joined the CHD bus that was touring the country, and we got to meet so many parents who lost their 2-month-old or their 4-month-old after the vaccines. Often it was the next day, or certainly within 48 hours. You take in a healthy baby for a well visit, and you get them in a casket 2 days later. This is a massive assault on their immune system and on their immature brain, and we're literally killing babies.
You know, I feel like I'm on a personal mission to create this awareness, because every parent that doesn't vaccinate their child is one of God's children saved.
Pretty much for every single disease, the vaccine is far more dangerous than the disease.
Based on actual data, you cannot deny actual data.
Right.
It's not woo-woo, it's real facts.
Yep. And they used a lot of manipulation to pull off what made it seem like the vaccines were actually helping, when in fact they were likely doing nothing but harm. This really expresses all the vaxxed, unvaxxed data, and some of this is going to blow your mind.